Hi, I'm production manager for Opus Instruments, our line of shortwave infrared cameras. We are at our brand new facility where we have just moved in, and I would like to show you one of the Opus Apollo cameras being built at the moment. Right now, we have this sample just halfway to the assembly process. And these cameras can be built to order. This specific one goes to a relatively famous museum. After the cameras are assembled, they have to be calibrated and tested in an extremely low light environment, since all the infrared radiation and even some visible light radiation may add effects to the calibration files. All right, so we are now in the production room of ATI cameras, QSI, Opus, etc., all the cameras that we make. The team, as you can see over here, they are busy assembling all sorts of different camera models, from the ATIC ones over here up to other models that we make constantly. On this side, you have our QSI product specialist, Roberto, right there, just taking care of some QSI cameras. And we have Pedro over there, our production supervisor, just in the back. So if we move along, we just come over here to the cleaning section. This is where we have a couple of laminar flow cabinets that are used to clean the cameras to the highest standard possible, so no dust, dirt, whatever allowed inside. We also have some high-tech leak detection equipment over there that ensure that the cameras are as airtight as possible, so no moisture gets in. Over here, we also have our final testing. We cannot go too close, I'm afraid, because there's some sensitive stuff going on over there. We have some customer property equipment that we cannot really show you, but that's where our final tests are done. So we have a bunch of machines that do a battery of tests to ensure that the cameras are of the highest quality that we can make. Okay, so we are about to get in the Opus testing room. This is a completely sealed room from any external light, since the calibration process for the cameras can be altered by any sort of external light. So let's get in. So what we have at the moment is a camera being tested over there. It is an Osiris. We do have to use some halogen lamps so that the infrared can be detected by the camera. And this allows us to create calibration maps that are needed for the operation of the same camera. This is a relatively complex process that requires also changing temperature of the camera itself, from the hottest that the camera will work to the coldest that the camera will work, everything in between. So it takes quite a time-consuming process. But after this is done, all the cameras then go to the hands of our satisfied customers worldwide, where they can actually assess works of art and make sure that they are restored properly. Thank you very much.